All right, y'all, we fixed to make something pretty good. Asian steak bites. I mean, it could be served as a meal, appetizer. You could spice it up how you like it. I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's gonna be good. All right, y'all, this is a real thick ribeye. Watch this. I'm putting a lot of oil on it, both sides. Now this is sesame oil here. I like the ribeyes because of the fat. Any way you look at it, fat is flavor. So we're gonna dust this up pretty heavy because it's gonna take a little while to cook. And I know this looks like I'm putting a lot of seasoning, and I probably am. I'm putting it on here thick because it's gonna take a while to cook this, and you just need it thick like this, trust me. I'm patting it in here. Make sure you get the seasoning on all the sides, every side. Now we're fixing to put our steak on the Blackstone. We want to get a real good sear on this steak. First thing we're gonna do is put some oil on here, olive oil. I like to use olive oil on my stuff when I'm cooking like this because it has a real high smoke point. You want real good contact with that steak and the griddle. All right, y'all, we're fixing to cut up some of these bell peppers and onions. We used to eat a lot of peppers growing up because they grew them. They grow a lot of bell peppers right here in Ponchatoula. Bell peppers, strawberries, a little bit of stuff like that. We was always eating stuffed bell peppers or this, that. All right, y'all, my veggies are all chopped up. We're gonna get over here and flip this steak. If we want a good sear on it, y'all. Let's do it. Oh, we got it too. Look at that. Smash it down, make sure it all gets on there good. Look at the seasoning caked in there. That's what you want. Y'all give us a few more minutes. We're gonna get these vegetables going and then we're gonna eat. All right, I'll give you another pro tip for cooking steaks. Y'all watch this. See how it is? Cook both sides, get a little oil on it. Now we're gonna do this side. Press it down, make sure it's got good contact. I'll tell you what, that'll change the name of your game with this. And we're gonna cook this about medium rare, and I'm gonna show y'all why in a minute. All right, y'all, we've been letting this steak rest about 5-10 minutes, and that will make a big difference. If you notice when I cut it, it's gonna be kind of like medium rare. Watch it. And you want big chunks, big chunks. The reason we're doing this, when we put it back on the griddle in just a minute, when it comes off, you're gonna have the perfect steak. All right, y'all, we almost there. Let me finish cutting this up, and then I'm gonna show y'all why we did it this way. I'm gonna throw it over here and let it start cooking. Now let's add some flavor, y'all. Japanese barbecue sauce. We're gonna dump it all on here a good bit. On your veggies too. Okay, you got two different flavors of this. And I love them mixed together. Once we get this on here, we're gonna flip it all. Oh my goodness. Y'all, the smell coming off this grill is something. Oh golly. Y'all, about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, we're gonna take this off. We're gonna plate it up. It'll be ready to eat. Y'all, we got one more thing to do. We're gonna add some sesame seeds to this. You can serve this for an appetizer or whatever you want. It could be a whole meal. This is what I've been waiting for, to eat this. Y'all, is that pretty or what? We're gonna get us a taste of it right here. Y'all, these are cooked perfectly. A lot of times you get this and it's overcooked, but this is perfect. This is the reason we cut it up, so we can have perfectly cooked steak. Each piece is cooked perfectly. It is good. You can taste the onions, the bell peppers, all that through there. Any which way, I got to get this inside and let everybody else get a bite. All right.
Tonight,